So guys, let's make these no sift chocolate chip cookies. I got 2 1/4 cups of flour, teaspoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. Just mix them together. Guys, grab your mixing bowl. We're gonna add 1 cup of butter, that's 2 sticks. We'll add half a cup of white sugar, 1 cup brown sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're gonna cream those together until they're nice and smooth. Then we'll go ahead and add a couple of eggs, one at a time. Let them each mix in and get well incorporated. And we're gonna add in our flour a little at a time. Mix it up as you go. And I got some chocolate chips. I got some pecans. Give that a good mix. This is what it looks like. Time to make some big fat chocolate chip cookie balls. Those go in the oven, 350, about 17, 18 minutes. They come out, look at that. Those are perfect. Golden brown on top, the bottom is that perfect little crisp. And just get in there and enjoy. What a treat. Cheers, everyone.